Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ and I'm here to introduce the latest addition to the Vision series of LED video panels from ADJ. Welcome to the EVS3. Let's talk a little bit about some of the specs. The EVS3 is a 3.9mm pixel pitch LED panel. The size is roughly 19.75 inches by 19.75 inches, or otherwise a half meter by a half meter. This is an indoor rated panel. There's some wonderful features on here like these corner protectors, which make life a lot easier for those who are setting up and tearing down. We've all probably messed up a pixel or two when we're setting up or tearing down, and this little system here just makes it a lot easier so that you're not bumping the corners on the ground or your shoes when you're disassembling or putting together the wall. Also, on the back, you're gonna have a power con in and through, as well as an RJ45 in and through for data. Now, what makes this a little different than some of the other products that are already in our Vision series is we were looking for ways that we could bring the cost down a little bit for those who don't need all the bells and whistles of our original VS series. One of the reasons we were able to do that is on this particular panel, the max brightness is going to be 800 nits. So that's also going to have a little bit less of a power draw as well, with an average of 48 watts per panel. Some other unique features offered by ADJ on the Vision series panels is we do offer magnetic ports on the top and bottom, which make life a lot easier for you when you're setting this up. The magnetics are strong enough to support the weight of the panel, which will allow you or whomever is setting this up to remove their hands and reposition their hands for setting up and tearing down, to minimize the chance of any sort of failure or any sort of droppage of the panel. So that's always going to be really, really helpful. You'll also be happy to know that this panel is front and rear serviceable. That's correct. The 4 LED modules that make up a single panel are held together with magnets as well. And these are very strong magnets. You don't have to worry about the module falling out of the shell. It does, however, make life very, very easy for you if once you've set up the wall and maybe a pixel is out or there's any sort of damage that happened during setup or tear down, you can easily replace a module. Now, let's be real, guys. You're watching this video and you're listening to some of the specs and it's going to sound pretty similar to another product that we already have, and you would be correct. Now, the reason why we have the EVS3 is to offer a more budget-friendly solution but still maintain the quality that you expect from ADJ. There are so many things that we do behind the scenes to ensure that when you buy a product from us, that you're getting something that's been quality checked to make sure everything is going to work, down to the LED binning, down to making sure that everything is going to arrive on time. And if for reason it arrives on time, but maybe there's a few pixels out from shipping or something happened, you have a company that's going to stand behind you, a company that's been around 35 years. And we try to take all of that and we're trying to offer you something at a little bit more value, more budget-oriented product price point that's going to help you achieve your goals with a little bit less investment on your end. So again, guys, this is the EVS3 from ADJ. Feel free to reach out to your dealers to get pricing and information. And again, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ.